Hey guys, welcome to the DMX Show. I'm your host Shane, and today I want to show you this awesome new app by Jrummy 16. He is the creator of Liberty for tons of devices. One of the main developers of the Rom Toolbox. Well, the developer of the Rom Toolbox. And that's what I want to show you guys today is the new and updated Rom Toolbox from Jrummy 16. We'll jump directly into this app review. It's free on the market, or for $5 you can get the donate version, which includes some extra features. Today I'll be reviewing the free version. So we'll just open it up, and right off the bat you have several different things here. The Rom Manager. And it'll give you ROMs that you can install for your device. I'm on the Bionic, so for now all that I have here are Theory ROMs and Liberty ROMs, as well as I have the Google apps and fonts that I can install. If you scroll over, you can restore any Android backups that are on your SD card. It'll find those and you can restore those from the application. And you can also reboot into recovery, back up your ROM, install a ROM, or wipe options from the ROM Manager in the Rom Toolbox. App Manager, it will just allow you to manage your application. So this Rom Toolbox is so awesome. It has like every root application that you use on a regular basis. App Manager, Root Explorer, Rom Manager, all of these things compiled into one application, so you don't have to use several different applications. They're all here to be used. So you can go in here and select an app, whatever app, and you can either back up, uninstall, or end task on that particular app. Root browser, this would be the same as Root Explorer, and you can mount, read, write, all that awesome stuff right here from Rom Toolbox. And there's a scripter, so there's really no longer any need for a terminal emulator. You can do that from scripter. Ad blocker, that does exactly what it says, but it has several options within ad blocker. You can block ads, you can block porn, you can block casino, or block risky, and you can use a custom IP address, which is pretty cool. You can configure your apps to SD cards. That's all just from the tools. There's also performance, which allows you to set your CPU via the sliders here. You can decrease your maximum CPU and increase your minimum. You can also apply that on boot, which I'd be very careful with that. If you go too far into the minimum and you apply that on boot, then your phone may not have enough juice to boot up. So be very careful with that. And I'll just put those back where they were. And go out. Okay, you can do your build.prop tweaks and editor. There's a memory manager there. There's SD card boost. On the interface, you have the font installer, the boot animations. There's several to choose from. This is part of the paid application, so you won't actually be able to install any of these unless you have the pro version, but you see that it's worth the $5. There's several here to choose from, probably at least 100 in there. Battery icon changer, you can do that with the pro version, it looks like. So we'll go back. Boot logo changer, can't do this on the Bionic yet. I'm sure he's working on that, but if you have like the Thunderbolt, Droid X, Droid 2, Droid Pro, Milestone, you can do that there. Theme chooser, that's for people that are on the CM7 style ROMs. You can go through and it'll just, if you open that, it'll give you all the theme chooser themes that are available either on the market or XDA. He just compiles all those theme chooser themes into one little portion of this application. So you see that there's several different things here. This is like the supermarket of the root applications, and they're all compiled into one awesome application. So I'd like to give a big shout out to Jrummy, a developer of Rom Toolbox. He has developed quite an awesome application here. You guys will want to make sure to grab that for $5 on the market to support continuing development of this ROM and other cool ROMs like this in the future. Thanks guys for watching the DMX Show. You can find me at droidmodderx.com, where you will find all the latest in ROMs, mods, and hacks for your Droid phone. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx with an E, not a 3, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks guys.